So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once we're here, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to get both of them, so you want to click on both of them. They're now going to start downloading. Once they've been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on Show in Folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to install both of them one by one. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on Install. And then click on Yes. It's now going to start downloading. Now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. We're now going to install the other one. For me, it's going to be x86. I'm going to double click on it. Once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on Install. And then click on Yes. It's now going to start installing. Once that's been done, we can now close out of this. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.